we are moving to France. I would like to say a few words before giving the floor to Chloé Richard, NCP for MSCA in France, and she works at the ministry responsible for higher education and research. Please type your questions in the Q&A, dear audience, and also read the chat for information on useful links. Thank you. Chloé, would you like to proceed?
Yes, thank you for the introduction. So hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to connect with researchers worldwide and to present you the French research and innovation landscape. So I will present you an overview of the French research and innovation landscape in order for you to find a suitable host institution in France for your postdoctoral fellowship project. So next slide, please. So in France, we have a lot of different kind of possible host institutions. We have 75 public universities, 150 grandes écoles, which are prestigious higher education schools with a competitive entrance exam. We also have 26 public research organizations. For instance, we have the CNRS, which is the National Scientific Research Center, with more than 1,000 labs in all research fields. We have INSERM, which is a research center in the health domain, the CEA in the energy field, INRAE in the field of agriculture, food and environment, INRIA, which is a research center in digital sciences and technologies, IFREMER, which is a research center for the exploitation of the sea, the CNES in the space field, but also a research center working at the international level as IRD, which is the Research Institute for Development, which works with a lot of countries in Africa, Latin America, and Asia. And also the CIRAD, which is a center for agricultural research for development. We also have two private research foundations, the Institut Pasteur and Institut Curie. So the Institut Pasteur is making research in the health domain, whereas Institut Curie is specialized on cancer research. We have more than 300,000 researchers, among which 29% are women. We are about 3 million students and more than 70,000 PhD students. We also have 71 competitiveness clusters. So those clusters are private organization, but their role, they have public funding, and their role is to connect the academic world with the non-academic sector actors. We also have 2.2% of the GDP dedicated to research for a population of 67.8 million inhabitants. Next slide, please. So here we put 7 good reasons to choose France for your research. The first one is the excellence of the research in France, which takes the second world place and the first place in Europe for the number of fields medals, and the fourth world place for Nobel Prizes with 76 Nobel Prizes. It's a country of innovation, as France is the second EU country for the number of patents. In France, we attract researchers from all over the world, with 42% of foreigners among the PhD students. And France is also the third host country in EU for young researchers. French research institutions have a global network. They are set in more than 250 destinations in the world, and more than 63% of French publications are made in collaboration with foreign researchers. France is at the heart of international research projects. French research is involved in large European and international research projects like in particle physics with CERN, Arianespace, ITER project on nuclear fusion, and so on. It's a very dynamic research and innovation ecosystem with 2/3 of French research operated by the non-academic sector. So you can also have a look to the hosting offers in the non-academic sector in France. We have 600,000 people working for research and innovation located in the private organizations. We also have top-level research infrastructures with 108 research infrastructures, including also large research infrastructure in diverse areas, in astronomy and astrophysics, health and life sciences, human and social sciences, physics, and engineering sciences, for instance. Next slide, please. So here is a summary of the organization of the French research and innovation system. The research and innovation activities are mainly implemented by researchers or innovators working in so-called research units or laboratories. In French, they are called unités propres de recherche or UPR, which are managed by a legal entity. It can be a university, a national research center, an enterprise, and so on. And those French research units may be jointly managed by several legal entities from the academic and from the non-academic sector. So we have joint research units called also in French Unité Mixte de Recherche or UMR. And in principle, those research units are jointly managed by national research centers, universities, grandes écoles, or non-academic sector actors. And each legal entity puts resources, human resources, but also funding in those research units. So you can look for a suitable research unit to host you in order to implement your postdoctoral fellowship project. Next slide, please. So in France, there are a lot of hosting offers, and we are advising all the research and innovation legal entities to post their hosting offer on the EURAXESS jobs portal. So you just need to connect to join the EURAXESS website and to look for hosting offers in France. So if I may, I will show you how to find the French hosting offer. You can also have a look to the French Scanner search engine. So you have on the slide a direct link. In this search engine, you can find all the research units existing in France, and you can contact your dream supervisor by this way. And if you are interested by a fellowship in a private company in France, you can check companies' profiles on the Enterprise Europe Network partner search platform. You also have the direct link here on the slide. Next slide, please. So here it's just a slide on the Scanner search engine for French research and innovation entities and data. So you can search by keywords, by publications, by author names, by project name, by type of entity, by type of sector, and also by location if you target a specific region of France to come. And you still have the direct link to this engine. Next slide, please. On the EURAXESS website, as I said, you will find all the French hosting offers with more than 100 offers from French host institutions and supervisors. And I think then on the next slide, there is my last slide. Thank you. Here you find the team of the French MSCA National Contact Points. We are 4 people working for this National Contact Point. do not hesitate to contact us. You have our direct email here, and you can also consult our French portal dedicated to Horizon Europe with a mini website on MSCA, and do not hesitate also to check our LinkedIn page. So here we are on the EURAXESS website. You can filter by offer type. So here I put hosting in order to find the hosting offer and not the job offer, but you also have the job offer. I put also France in the country, and you can select the funding program, so Horizon Europe MSCA. And then you apply the filters and you will find all the hosting offers, and it is usually specified MSCA Postdoctoral Fellowships with the topic. So here you have an offer for Sorbonne University, you have an offer for Université de Reims, Champagne-Ardenne, you have the Institut Pasteur on the health domain, an offer for Université Jean Moulin, and so on. So you have more than 100 offers. Do not hesitate to check those hosting offer, and I wish you best of luck for your projects. Thank you very much. I stopped the sharing.
Thank you so much. Let me just say that we actually have a recorded webinar on the EURAXESS Japan YouTube channel with Eugenia Shadlova from a few years ago. She was our NCP explaining the project. And also we'll have a webinar on ERG Concert Japan and Horizon Europe collaboration, which actually features CNRS in the event. So you're very welcome to join.